Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can go live on Twitch. So in order to go live on Twitch, you'll need to first of all log in into your account. For that, go ahead and open up a web browser. On the web address bar, type in www.twitchtv.com. This is gonna take you to the official web page. Make sure that you're already logged into your account. In my case, I'm already logged in, so this is how the interface is gonna look like. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and click on the profile icon. After that, you can see right at the bottom in the drop down menu, settings. Go ahead and tap on the settings button. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see multiple options right on here. So basically what you'll have to do is you need to go ahead and select channel and videos tab, which is located right on top. After that, it's going to take you to the other interface. On this page, you need to go ahead and tap on stream in the left hand side bar of the screen. So basically here you need to copy the primary Steam key. So click on the copy button. After that, go ahead and tap on Steam Manager, which is right on top in the same page. Once you're done copying your information, here you need to open up your OBS and then paste in the link or the key that you've recently copied, and that is basically how you can go live on Twitch. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.